What's up, y'all? This your boy JP. I got a 2012 Toyota 4Runner, and we are about to install a backup camera. This rear tailgate part has a window that slides down, and you can see the window tracks right there. I like to zip tie along the factory wiring. That way I don't have to worry about anything dropping down. I know that this is out of the way. So let me show you how I did it. First, I want to get my drill, a drill bit, and a step bit along with the snap bushing so we can protect the wire. Then I want to use the drill bit to start my hole first. I know I have plenty of room, so I just start the hole. Then I'll take my step bit and expand that hole big enough to put in our 0 gauge snap bushing. We had to use a big one because we had 2 connectors that had to go through along with the rest of the wires from the backup camera, but now this wire is protected, rubbing up against the plastic and not the actual metal. Then I want to remove the right rear speaker so I can see exactly where the factory wiring is, because that's exactly where our wire is going. We're going to zip tie every 4 inches so when the window moves it doesn't get caught, and we want to seal up our hole using some 3M strip caulks. Now we have to remove the wire boot from all 3 of the fastening connectors so we can take our wire pulling tool through with our RCA taped up on the end. We want to use some dry lube on both sides so it pulls the wire all the way through very easy. And while we still have it connected, we take that wire pulling tool and go through the channel and pull our RCA through so we can complete the run. We want to zip tie along the other side, and then I want to make sure I solder that connection, use some heat shrink and shrink that up, and of course zip tie along the factory wiring so when I put the panels back on, nothing gets in the way. That's it for this one. God bless y'all. Peace.